Financial and procedural auditing plays a critical role in health insurance organization operations. Audits are performed on various entities, including claims, prior authorizations, benefits, customer service, and appeals across multiple lines of business. Conducting audits is often manual, very cumbersome, and time-consuming. Organizations require a single platform to streamline auditing issues and ensures a seamless process. Virtusa's Intelligent Audit Platform, IAP, is a boon to health insurance organizations by handling all the audit requisites. IAP provides a comprehensive solution that resolves the audit challenges faced by the health insurance organizations. The platform's reusable architecture supports specialized implementation and seamlessly integrates with internal and external systems, providing holistic and quick access to audit data. IAP is a robust and versatile audit service with automated and manual sampling, intuitive audit workflows, and well-defined defect and correction workflows. Welcome to Intelligent Audit Platform, an end-to-end quality audit solution. The solution has three major sections: Audit Program Setup, Audit Process, and Defect Process. Now let's take a holistic view of the platform. The Audit Program Setup functionality is provided for a new audit program. The business admin or the team lead will set the audit properties, such as line of business, functional area, and audit types, based on which the system automatically determines the audit workflow. Moreover, the user can also configure any restriction criteria to the audit here. Our solution has a highly customizable data sampling feature supporting manual and automated sampling functionality. It is highly advantageous for organizations to sample the data as per their requirements. Once all the information about the audit is fed in, post-submission, the system will create a new customized audit program. The business admin or team lead can also schedule or reset the audit to recur based on the business requirements. This takes us to our next section, Audit Process. Once the audit is scheduled, the system will create the audit cases and route them to the appropriate audit work basket. The audit user will pick the audit cases from the work basket and start working on the case. On opening the audit case, we can see the SLAs defined for the same. All the SOPs and manuals are translated into intuitive audit workflows to standardize the business process. Here for the claims audit, there are 5 stages: claim details, claim adjudication, claim payment, product review, and finalize audit. Each stage consists of various steps such as data entry for members and providers, provider demographic discrepancies, data entry for billed services, pricing methodology verification, service type, service date, and receive date. Each step consists of dynamic instruction fields, auditor's input fields, detailed documentation, and link to various portals that are required for the audit. In order to move forward to the next stages, the user needs to complete all the steps of the previous stage. The user will complete the claim details stage and reach the claim adjudication section. Here, the user will have to fill in all the details which should lead to the completion of all the steps included in the claim adjudication stage. Here also, the user will have to fill in all the details, which will lead to the completion of all the steps included in the audit process. The last stage of the audit process is the finalized audit stage, which summarizes all the work done in the previous stages. In any step, if the user detects any anomalies, he can create the defect. While creating the defect, the user needs to mention the root cause of the defect and fill in other details such as type of defect, share the responsible ID, and describe the error in detail. Post which, the created defect will be auto-assigned to a specific defect validator's work basket. Once all the stages of the audit are completed, and if no defects have been identified, the audit case is completed. In contrast, if any defects are identified, the defect cases are created and routed to the appropriate defect validation work basket based on the root cause of the defect. Let's now proceed to our final section, Defect Process. The defect validator would work on the defect cases created by the audit user while conducting the audit. The defect validator would have the choice to accept, rebut, update, or get clarification on the defect. On acceptance, the defect is routed to the defect correction stage where the defect validator could resolve the defect himself or assign it to any other user. The user needs to provide various details such as claim adjustment date, claim adjustment number, and additional comments in order to resolve the defect. Once all the defects under an audit case are resolved or withdrawn, the overall audit process is completed. This completes our walkthrough of the Virtusa's Intelligent Audit Platform.